As I have said before, we have more than enough private prosecutors, only that we are not yet done finalizing as to who will be entering their appearance as private prosecutors and who will be working as part of our legal and research team, no? So, to your question, yes, we have in fact a huge number of private prosecutors. All of them are on a voluntary basis, and that is why we are grateful, we are thankful to all these private lawyers who are really offering help to the public prosecutors. Please bear with us as we cannot announce yet the list of our private prosecutors as we still continue to assess who will be joining the trial and who will be joining the preparation of the public prosecutors.